welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina, and yep, you're going to see me in this outfit several times this week because this is what I'm wearing today while I'm kind of doing a declutter, go through, get rid of stuff. So let's jump into mascaras. There's a couple of these mascaras I haven't opened yet. I do not like to open mascara if I have several open. I'm kind of picky about that because I hate wasting it, and I'm also very cautious because I get styes in my eyelashes really easily, so I'm very careful with my mascaras. I haven't used this one, the Wander Unleashed mascara. I've heard great things about this. I cannot wait to try this. It looks amazing. This is the Ico Sport waterproof mascara. Holy crap, this mascara doesn't come off for anything, like nothing. I tried micellar water on it. Nope. I've tried soap and water on it. It sort of works. I tried oil on it. I get some off, but it doesn't come all the way off. It is very difficult to remove. On the other hand, you could cry, like hard cry. The whole snot bubbles cry. And this would not come off. It's amazing. I just started using this one a week or so ago. It isn't like the most lengthening or volumizing mascara ever because it is a sport mascara, so you don't really expect it to be. It's so hard to get off, it's hilarious. And I have used other sport mascaras like the Tarte one, which I really like. If you are worried you're going to cry at your wedding, get this mascara. It's not going anywhere ever. It will stay there all day. And my trick for these is because I do like longer voluminous lashes, today I took my little sample of Superfan from Smashbox and I did it first, and this is an excellent mascara, and then I put this over the top. This does leave little clumpies on the mascara. They don't clump together, but it's not super smooth. If you're just using one layer to seal it in, I think it's fine. This is a great mascara in that aspect. Like, it does what it says it's going to do. You just need to have something to get it off with. This is the, as I said, the Superfan mascara. I'm going to show you the wands on these because I think wands are important. So the wand for this one looks like that. It's curved and it's bigger and flatter on this side. I like that wand. It does a good job. So this one, the wand looks like this. It's very easy to use. If you don't like the silicone wand, you might not like it as much because it does have one. It's a nice mascara. It does the job, but it is not waterproof. But it is volumizing and lengthening beautifully, which I love. So I like this mascara a lot. This is the Resistance from Cargo. It looks like that. I have the first order from Cargo as well. This one I haven't opened yet, but it has cool little design all over it from Star Wars. This is a nice mascara. I paid like $4.99 for it. It wasn't a whole bunch of money. I just thought it was cute. That day was out and I needed mascara. I actually picked up both of these because why not get a matching set? And I believe one of these is waterproof. I could be wrong. I'm not positive. Yeah, I like it okay. It is not a bad mascara. I have nothing bad to say about it. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh my god, it's amazing. I actually have two mascaras that I have in my empties box, and I'm not going to drag them out because I talked about them all the time, but the Butter London Double Decker Lashes mascara is amazing. It's not like that, nor is it like the Tarte Lash Paint mascara, which I also loved. It's not like that either. It's okay. It's $4.99 worth of mascara. That's what it is. It's fine. And I haven't tried that one yet. I'm assuming they're either the same formula or one's waterproof and one's not. This is the e.l.f. mascara. Like, it's just e.l.f. mascara. It doesn't say anything else on it. So it has this weird wand with the little bally on the end. I like the little ball on the end of my mascara wands, but this one is floppy. It doesn't like to go back in, and I don't like this formula at all. I don't like it. It's not a good match for me. The Cargo wand, it's just a regular mascara wand. Like I said, nothing special about the mascara or the wand. It's just a $4.99 decent mascara. I do not keep this around for the mascara in it. This is the e.l.f. mascara and brow gel duo. I love the brow gel. I hate the mascara. The mascara is awful. Its wand looks like that. Another just regular old wand. This mascara makes your lashes clump together and look short and stubby. It does darken them. It doesn't come off easily because it's also a waterproof sport mascara. Would be fine. The Ico, like, that's a nightmare to get off. I need to go buy some special stuff for that. This, I don't like the way it makes my lashes look. I didn't like anything about it. I keep it specifically for the other side, which is the brow gel, which is just clear. It does a great job. I really love this brow gel. But this is the Deluce, whatever the name. It's got a weird name. It's one of those huge wands that's super stubby that I sometimes poke into my eye. I'm that person. The formula itself is very nice. I don't have a problem with this mascara at all. It separates and lengthens and volumizes and does those things. It's not like, oh my god, I have to go buy it, but it's not bad. Another mascara with a huge wand. The Too Faced Size Queen Mascara. This wand is crazy. Look at that. That's a stab yourself in the face wand. It is so big that it makes getting really down there in your lashes impossible because you will poke yourself in the eyeball. Nobody wants that. The formula is nice enough. I probably won't make it through this before I end up throwing it away because the wand is kind of annoying. The mascara itself is okay, not amazing. I've had their Better Than Sex mascara, which I like. I have to put a waterproof mascara over it, otherwise it smudges on me. This one, I don't notice it smudging on me. I'm trying to think. I don't think I've noticed smudging with any of the mascaras I'm talking about today. This one, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I can't give it away, so I guess I'm just gonna keep it. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit. I got this in an Ipsy bag. It is a silicone wand, and it's got really tiny separators at that end, whatever, spikes. I hate this mascara. Absolutely hate it. It does nothing for me. Me and it don't get along. It's not my mascara. I didn't get the hype on that one at all, and at the time this came out, oh my god, the hype was crazy. This is the Benefit Their Real mascara. I don't think I've opened this before, but that's okay. So it has that little spiky ball on the end. I don't like this mascara when you first open it. I leave it for like a week after I open it, and then I can use it and it's fine. It's not amazing. I actually had gotten a really cute one a few years ago at Christmas. It had rhinestones all over it. It was adorable and my husband bought it for me for Christmas. The unfortunate part is this mascara isn't amazing. It's not bad. It did smudge it first. Some mascaras, I gotta open them. I just open them like I just did and that's it. That's all I do. And then a week later, I go back and try them again. And just that little bit of air changes the formula just enough that they dry down a little faster and they don't smudge so badly. This is one of those that you have to do that with. It's okay. It's not like amazing or anything, but it's okay. So this last one I have not opened at all. I'm sure it's been out for quite some time and you can go look at it. This is the MAC mascara. I've never even tried a MAC mascara. I'm waiting until I get through some of my other mascaras before I open it to try it, which is the same deal that's going on with this one. And I don't know which one of these two I'm gonna do. One of those two I'm gonna bite the bullet and open up. Like I did the Ico, which was a waterproof mascara, which is why I did that. Sometimes I really need one. So I tried it and I liked it a lot. I think that's all my mascaras. And it looks like I'm getting rid of a couple of them. I'm getting rid of this one. If this wasn't attached to that one, I'd totally get rid of that one too. I'm getting rid of this one. Looks like that's it. Which leaves me with, I have one more mascara that I haven't opened. This is called Texas Lash Mascara from Cargo. I kind of wonder if it's like that one. And I don't want to open it because I have not tried it yet. And I want to wait. This one goes in my purse and will dry out before I get to the bottom of it, which is why I have two of these smallish bottles. So it looks like I've got these three open, which is the Smashbox, the Queen Size, and the Ico. I just opened that one because, which is the They're Real by Benefit, because I will use that with this one and see how that works out. I have this one, which is probably not gonna last me that much longer. It feels like it's mostly empty. It's been open for a little while now. I'll probably use it for another month and that'll be the end of it. So I'm getting rid of these two, the Bad Gal Bang and the e.l.f. ones. I don't like either of them. I'm throwing them both away because I can't give them away. That's my mascaras, and that's what I think of all those mascaras. I cannot wait to try this one. I want to try that one too, the one from MAC. I'm patient with mascaras because otherwise you throw them away and that sucks. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!